Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to resize the split screen applications on this device. So first of all, let me show you how to enable the split screen. Simply go to settings and tap on the option advanced features. Tap on multi window. Then here you can see the option swipe for split screen. Enable this one. Then swipe up from the bottom of the screen using your two fingers to enable the multi window. Then at the bottom you can see some applications, and from here you can open any applications. Simply here I am going to enable the calendar. Now you can see the same page, two applications are here. So let me show you how to resize. Tap on the middle divider and you can adjust the app size, you can see. So according to your comfort, you can resize or adjust the app size. Okay. So simply in this way, we can resize the split screen applications on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.